In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop your Windows 10 laptop from going into sleep or hibernation mode every time you close the lid. Most new laptops will by default be programmed to go into sleep or hibernation mode once you close the lid. If you want to change this setting, it's quite a simple process, and there are two options available. So the first and easiest option is to look on the bottom taskbar. Usually in the bottom right hand corner down here, you can see a little battery icon. If you put your mouse pointer over this and then right click and select power options, it takes you straight to the control panel, and you can see on the right hand side here is an option to choose what closing the lid does. So click on that, and you can see here you can either choose to do nothing, sleep, hibernate, or shut down. So choose any option you want. I've chose to do nothing as I prefer my laptop to stay on once I close the lid. If for example you can't find your battery icon down here, you can find it through the control panel. So again, you can either use the search box down here, type in control panel and just click on control panel to open it, or you can click on the Windows icon in the bottom left hand corner and scroll down to W, and then when you reach W, look for Windows System. You can see it here, click on that and then select control panel from the menu. Once control panel opens, select System and Security, and the fourth option down is power options, so click on that. And again, it's the same screen, so just choose what closing the lid does. Open that up and then just choose to do the same process, either do nothing, sleep, hibernate, or shut down. It's your choice. So it's really simple as that. You can also choose change the power button settings if you want to. So if you want to do this, it's as simple as that. Just follow this guide and it's all done. So thanks for watching.